Yo, me jump on the wood, me say bad man. No.
Why? Jump on with you. This is closets on the bottom floor. This is the bedroom. A window is right there. Window right there. Doorway right there. Window right here. They are casting these today.
I'm presently standing at Camden Street.
Doorway goes into the hallway, and then from there we got a bathroom right here. Good sized bathroom.
About 60 plus. About 60.
And then a doorway goes outside right here. This is gonna go further down into the house. Yes, I'm coming. Say hi, Alex. Say hi. Taco. Marky. Gnomes over here. Whoa. Sun. So I'm going to give you guys a view from the top. From the top now. Eventually I'm going to build a wall here. Remove the old fence. That part over there we're going to lick it down because that part is cut into the foundation. Over there we're going to put another bedroom, 2 more bathrooms. At that part at the front is going to be the kitchen and the washroom and possibly a pantry. Bedroom 1, bathroom for this bedroom here. Bedroom number 2 is there, and then you can see from top. So right here is the bedroom at the bottom. That's the bathroom, closet area right there, and the hallway over there. So that's it. That is the house update. Progress. What's up, darling? I'm coming. So then down there where the sun sits in is going to be the garage area. So this area is the garage, and we're going to have the veranda on top. So we're going to put a step here to go on top there. So yes. Yeah, man. Yeah, alright. God.
I'm nervous.
And to look behind you.
I'm nervous bad.
Shabby left Spain town, come on, maybe I can climb tree for Costarapo. Almost there.
I come catch you?
One, Alex.
You ripe?
Yeah.
Nice. What if you have no worm penny? More up there?
You see more?
Huh?
Oh, you see more? Oh, you pick now, tambourine?
Yeah, me a pick.
I beg you, hurry up, come out of the tree, you hear? I want something you go for come out. Hi. Hello. What? Yeah. Shabby risky life go pick you and you ask who go eat it. Shabby, see you really want to eat it. That shabby risky life.
Wait, say, 12 we're going to eat it? No need.
You know, shot.
No need. The shark got one way I name them.
You can't manage the sun from talking, man. Barry from talking. Barry every counteraction.
No need. To put it somewhere, yes, soon they come here 1 year,
Yeah.
they tap to put them up.
Any nail and nail.
You go drop a gun and come down to one way and you got one concrete in there and a log 1 year, you got to put my piece of wood.
You can't hold Barry, Mr. Man. I tell me that.
I mean,
You can't hold Barry, man. I tell me that.
you can't tell me you never put 1 year in a boat. You can't tell me that. Eh?
Yeah,
You never did?
yeah.
Right, so why
But me not know why you put the concrete for you have why you in hand that time.
my question, one way I near me have some concrete, and the one way you see go you, right, you go like this to this. Like this.
I was just on that remember me, I saw a work for Nicky that man. I saw chop something like that and something jump on it. Yo, me jump on the wood, me say bad man. No.
Why? Jump out with you.
When me jump on the board, bad man. Me jump on the board. I saw me see the tear on the whole of one stretch. The tear on the whole of one stretch. They say, boy, we jump on the board for boy. And I tell me to jump on it, you know. Some say, son, I can't manage it.
Boy, jump on the boy.
Wait, Mr. Son, I can't manage it. Mr. Son, son, what you don't say, no? Son, I can't manage it. We go to church here somewhere. The sun, me see the fly go weird and so. And they cost me. Why?
You want to say you like
No, okay, I'm in the hand and I say, son, I can't manage it. Boy, jump on it something, boy. Son, I can't manage it. Boy, jump on it something. I jump on it something. The sun, they tear on you. All I done something bad, man. The tear on the wall, I done to the kid over, they go anyway. The cost. We tell him say if he can't manage it. Same plan for you, and then I ask if he can't manage it.
Morning.
You know, must have one man. Must have 2 people and get one man. Go down there. And you have people. I want to but the best week also if I go take time because could have big yarn if you don't know the cars off it.
Talking that if you only just can't start. What can I talk?
can't pick that like that now.
If it done, it just can't.
You say when it done.
Then if it done,
You say when it done. When it done.
Yeah, when it done now.
When it done.
Yeah, when it done now.